Oh no!
Oh no!
What do we see?
See?
Bunny is crying under a tree. His big orange carrot is missing today.
Can you help him find the way?
Bunny hops left, bunny hops right, looking for carrot with all his might. In the grass and near the rock, behind the fence and near the clock. But oh dear,
it's not there.
Bunny jumps high in the air.
Hop, hop, hop,
Let's go fast, find the carrot before it's past. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, help our bunny find his treat.
hop, 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 don't you stop.
We will search from top to top.
Monkey says, I saw something orange.
Near the river by the porridge.
Porridge.
Bunny runs with super speed, following every tiny seed.
Splash, splash, near the stream. Is it carrot or a dream?
Oh, look there behind the log. Not a carrot, just a frog.
Hey!
Little bird chirps from the sky.
Check the garden, give it a try. Porridge.
Bunny digs, and what's that sound?
Crunchy carrot in the ground. Hooray, hooray, we found it now.
Bunny smiles and takes a bow.
Hey! Hop, 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 we did it! Yay! We found the carrot today. Friends who help are super smart, sharing kindness from the heart. Clap, 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 shout hooray!
See you in Little Green World today.